Hello everyone, this is Natalie from Serpwizz, and I want to welcome you all back into our SEMRUSH series where we do reviews and tutorials of different SEO tools that are under SEMRUSH. However, for this specific video, we'll be talking about some content marketing tools that are also offered by SEMRUSH if you sign up for an account with them. So today, we will be talking about post tracking. This one is just gonna be a quick video about this feature. We just wanna show you guys what it's all about and what is going on or what you can expect from the tool. So here we are already on the page of post tracking. We have the tool right here where you can enter any URL of any article that you want to track. This is ideal for guest posts or any external content that you have produced in order to monitor and see how you can improve them furthermore. So here we have just some information about the tool that or additional information about the tool that will be useful once you or before you utilize it. So here SEMrush is promoting this tool as it grows your reach through external content. So tracking the efficiency of your external content, as I've mentioned earlier about your guest post, sponsored content, backlinks, and social engagement, organizing your campaigns in just a few clicks. So you can track individual articles or campaigns with dozens of content pieces in one place, and also you can adjust your content promotion strategy. So we all know how important content is when working, when you're working for, or when you have a business that is functioning online. So you want to get your content as out there as possible. But of course, it's not just the internal content that you want to work on, but also the external ones that can help or that can tremendously help you in getting more engagements and more traffic back into your own website. So here we also get the it quantifies the success of any article, tracking your content performance. So it's pretty much an extension of these tools that we have talked about previously. So yep, it identifies your top performing content, improve your content distribution strategy. So this will allow you to discover or to identify which of your content types are generating the most results. So here also you save time with your user-friendly content tracking software. These are the inclusions with that. And if you want to learn more about building content tracking system for your business, you can do so by clicking on this 3 categories right here. And yeah, you have here the tool itself, and yeah, basically you can utilize that right ahead if you have an account here in SEMrush. Just type any of the article and then hit this button and you'll be good to go. Yep, that's basically it for post tracking tool under SEMrush. If you have already an account here, then definitely check that out. It will help you significantly with monitoring your external content, if just to determine whether your external content are doing well, and if not, on how you can improve them dramatically. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching, and we hope to see you again in the next videos that we will be doing.